one of those days when you don't know what to eat, but you know you don't want to cook. So I decided to go ahead and check out what food I had. I think cereal will do for today because it's delicious and so easy to make. You can make it anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab me a box, see what I can make with this, see what things I can add. I need a bowl. I need a very big bowl. One of the biggest bowls I have in my cupboard. This'll do. Now, we need some strawberries. Now we need our cereal. Let's go ahead and add some cereal to this. Get this bowl nice and filled up with all these delicious square pieces of delightful cereal. Crunchy, nice flavor in every bite. Add some more strawberries. Add a little bit more. There we go. Yes. Add a little bit of sweetener. Delicious. Some banana. You gotta have your banana with it. What is cereal without banana? And to top it off, some cinnamon. You gotta add some good milk. Whole milk. For wholesome flavor. Lots of milk. Because you know that shredded wheat's gonna soak up all the milk. And you don't want your cereal to be too crunchy. What's this? What spoon should I use? Let's go ahead and sit down and take a look at this. Small spoon or big spoon? Small spoon, big spoon. Small spoon, big spoon. Small spoon, big spoon. So maybe I could try this one? No. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with this spoon right here. Man versus cereal.